Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zelle with an IBC Bank account, even though IBC doesn't have Zelle built directly into its banking app. To get started, download and install the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Once the app is installed, open it to begin setup. Enter the US mobile number you want to use with Zelle. This phone number will be linked to your Zelle account for sending and receiving money. After that, read through the Zelle terms of use and accept them if you agree. Next, Zelle will ask you to search for your bank. Type IBC into the search bar. Since IBC Bank isn't listed, you'll see an option that says, "Don't see your bank." Tap on that option to continue. After that, you'll be prompted to enter an email address. Enter the email address you want to register with Zelle, then continue. Now, you'll need to link your bank account. Enter your IBC debit card details, including the debit card number, expiration date, zip code, and any other required information. Once everything is entered correctly, Zelle will process the setup. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your Zelle account is now connected to your IBC Bank debit card. After setup is complete, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle using your IBC Bank account through the Zelle app. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you use Zelle with your IBC Bank account, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.